The heads held high, eyes full of pride, and every step in perfect sync. Our young leaders are ready to salute the spirit of India.
School! Samtal! Rugal!
And ready!
Marching forward with pride and purpose, our sports captains, Master Harsh and Miss Aditi, the dedicated assistant sports captains, Master Arnav and Mrs. Karika, our dedicated assistant head boy, Master Athar and assistant head girl, Miss Reshma. Right behind them is our majestic school band, echoing the spirit of patriotism through every beat. Saluting our chieftains. Next, following them, we have the girls' wing of Yellow House led by the girls' captain, Miss Kirti Rana. Boys' wing of Yellow House takes their turn and salutes to our national flag. The girls' wing of Yellow House taking their turn and moving forward. Following them is the Green House, a symbol of flesh and cherishing India. The Yellow House salutes to our national flag. The Green House led by the boys' captain, Master Puneet, followed by the girls' captain, Miss Shagun. The Green House salutes to our national flag. Girls' wing of Green House taking their turn and marching forward. And finally, the Blue House, graceful and composed, showcasing true leadership as a salute to our national flag. The Green House salutes to our national flag.